So here we have the Yard Machine's push mower, and we got a little problem, but we went and got parts, so we'll show you how we fix that problem. So as you can see, this wheel is out of life expectancy here, so we're going to replace the two back wheels, worn out here. So we'll show you. So I have a 9/16 wrench here, and just going to loosen the nut off. And as you can see, completely worn out. So here's the replacement with a proper bushing in it. And we'll tighten her down. Okay, so it's pretty much the same process for the other side, so we won't bore you with that. We'll just show you the finished result back on the ground and cutting away.